nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. Background's a little different today, but that's fine. Today's video I'm just going to be doing a quick look. Well, my quick go-to look that I've been doing lately using the Makeup Shack palette. It's just a really simple look. So if you why not show you, just in case you have this palette, you're not getting this palette. I don't just do colorful looks with this thing. I can do pretty toned down looks too. This is going to be one of those videos. There won't be any talking, just a lot of pointing and such. Enough talking, let's get started. So I did do the liner and the dots in the highlight off camera. For the highlight I used the Hello Gregory Unicorn Frosting. It's like this light pink iridescent highlight going on, and then Eddie Funkhauser's Ultra Definition Eyelining Stylus. I use that here and here. I'm going to go off camera and do foundation and concealer, and I'll come back. For foundation I'm going to be using my Eddie Funkhauser in combination with my ColourPop. And then the Eddie Funkhauser concealer, I'm going to be using these three. So yeah. Now for the under eye, I do take these same two shades I used at first. So that yellow orange shade and then this one, and I'm going to put them on the bottom. I usually do this look when I'm not filming and when I'm not posting anything on Instagram. This is my go-to look. I don't know why I do this a lot, but I do it a lot. I don't think I posted it yet though, because I do it so often that I probably thought I posted it already. And I don't think it's like that, like, I don't know. It's not that great a look, you know? Ignore the cartoons in the background. There's some fallout, so I'm gonna take my big brush and just go woof. And inner corner. For the inner corner, I take the iridescent shade that's in here. This one right there, and I take one of my smaller brushes. This one would be the best, and I wet this first. So I'm going to take my ColourPop setting spray, wet the tip a little bit, and then I just go into that iridescent shade a little bit. And this is one of the few looks my mom likes, and she says because it's not crazy. She thinks the rest of my looks are crazy, so. And that's fine. But onto the lip. My lip is actually pretty tame too. It's literally just Up All Night and not Duke's, but the lip liner pencil I got from Tweed House, which is right here. So these two, because this is lighter than Duke's, and you know sometimes you want to tone it down a little bit. I mean, it's very similar to Duke's, but Duke's is more red. And then I take Up All Night, which is the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip, and I just and then I take my Trophy Wife and I pop that on my Cupid's bow. Trophy Wife. I'm about to break a nail trying to open this. From Fenty Beauty. break a nail. Trying to get this open. And because it seemed so plain, I did take my Fenty Beauty lip luminizer in the shade Vacray, and I put that on top, so it's a little more. But yeah, this is what I do all the time. There's a pimple coming in. Y'all probably can't see it, but I can see it. And yeah, this is the look that I always do, minus the red in my brow. That's because my hair's red now, but or reddish. It's washing out, so now it looks like, I don't know. But yeah, this is what I do when I don't film a look, or when I'm not doing a face chart Friday, or when I'm not a part of a collab, or when I don't feel like doing my makeup but I have to go outside in public. This is the look. So my neighborhood has seen this look a lot because I'm usually wearing this when I go to the store to walk my dog, all that stuff. Yeah, this is minus I don't do the lashes either. I just got these. But the eye and the lip is what I do a lot of the time, most of the time, if I'm not doing something that I should be doing for Instagram or a collab or whatever. That's it. That's all. Any questions, comments, concerns, you know where to leave them. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.